This is the request sum from a student. Find the radius of curvature and curvature of the curve y equals to a log sec x by a at xy. We will treat this equation as y equals to fx form. For that, we will apply this formula rho equals to 1 plus dy dx whole square power 3 by 2 divided by d2y dx2. Y equals to a log sec x by a. Let us find the derivative with respect to x. A is constant. Log sec x by a is 1 by sec x by a. Sec x by a derivative is sec x by a tan x by a. X by a derivative is 1 by a. This a and that a will be cancelled. Sec x by a cancel. Remaining term is tan x by a. Now let us find the derivative of dy dx with respect to x. Then we will have d2y dx2. And derivative of tan x by a is sec square x by a. And derivative of x by a is 1 by a. Now let us find rho. Rho is 1 plus dy dx whole square. Dy dx whole square is tan square x by a. This is the power 3 by 2. And below y2, that is 1 by a sec square x by a. Now we know that trigonometrical identity. From that we can write it as sec square x by a power 3 by 2, and this a will come in front and below it is sec square x by a. Here this square and that 2 will be cancelled. Remaining term is sec cube x by a, and in the denominator it is sec square x by a. So 1 sec x by a will be the remaining term. And rho is a sec x by a. The curvature is 1 by rho, and that is 1 by a cos x by a. So these are the required answers.
For admission and course-related enquiry, please visit college website http://www.svist.org/